On today's video, I'm going to be installing this little level bubble onto his camera. Now, a few reasons you might want to use one of these, some of you might not, especially if you want an actual mic on top of your camera, you won't be using one of these, or an aftermarket flash. For the people who's not using any of that, this little piece here can help protect the top of your camera. They do sell covers without this, but this has some benefits. So let's go over it. Not only can you level your camera, yes, I know your camera does got a built-in level, especially this Canon here, this T7i. But this is, let's just jump into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. It's just simple to open. I'm going to try not to cut myself. Be safe when always opening your stuff. I opened up quite nice. It came in a Ziploc baggie. If you didn't open it the way I did, you could reuse it. It comes into another Ziploc baggie. You could reuse that too. This is the piece. Just a little bubble here. It's very simple. So let's bring this over here. And this piece is not metal. It's just rubber. It's just plastic. And it is a certain way it goes in. You can see it's got a stop on it right here. Should be able to see. Well, push it in just like so on top of the camera. Now let's attach a stand to it. This is one of the reasons you might consider this. This is a camera, and you can see by just moving it on this tripod, we can move that bubble and get it pretty level. So we can tell if we got the camera angled kind of downwards and we're shooting a video or something. So it's going to look like we actually not straight on to the person we're recording or the scene we're recording, but we can bring this up just like so and level it into the center of the bubble. And we know a camera is super straight at whatever we are recording. You can tell we're off center, and you can do that by just looking down on top of your camera. Some of you might think it's not practical to have one of these. Some of you might think this video was a waste of time, but if you was considering one of these or ain't never considered one of these, hopefully you found this video interesting at least. And they cheap. You can pick this up for under $4. It's made of plastic. It helps protect the top of this, especially if you're not running a mic. Most of you probably are running a mic on top of your camera or aftermarket flash, but for the ones who's not and just out shooting video and uses some other means of audio to your camera, like maybe you hook the audio into the side of it here or record on a wireless device or a different catcher thing. So yeah, many are uses for this. I like it because it looks good. I can quickly just level the camera up at a glance without going into my settings or hitting my quick level thing. You know, it's very practical for me. So that's pretty much it. It helps level the camera. You don't have to go into your settings for your auto level and all that. You can just look at your camera, center it up, just like so, and it's great. It's a great little feature. I like it. You might not. If you got one of these cameras and you didn't know it existed, might be something you pick up for $3 or $4. Give it a try. You might like it too. As I said, if you want an aftermarket mic on top or a flash, this isn't for you. Unless every now and again you go out in the field and you shoot without that, some other audio or something. So, as always, if you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, I hope you found this video interesting. And I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you on the next video.